What's up guys, TechRex here. So today I got an iPhone 10 here in my hands. This is a beautiful phone. I just want to, let's get this Touch ID. Facial ID freaking never works. But anyways, check out the back. This is actually not 10 out of 10 condition. So I want to be upfront with you guys. There's a little bit of a crack on that corner. Goes to the top here. But other than that, phone works perfectly fine. What I'm going to do with this phone is we're going to cook it in these Tide Pods. I don't know if you guys ever seen these little guys, but they are beautiful. Just check out the detail. I got some of the other colors down below. We got about 100 though. Let's melt this stuff down, cook the phone in there, and see if it survives. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is turn the heat up on high, and I'm going to add a little bit of water just so it's easier for those Tide Pods to dissolve. Not too much, but there's a lot of them, so I just want to add a little bit. Now we're just going to go ahead and wait until some action begins to happen. You can already see this stuff is bubbling. It's even making some weird noises. I just heard something. But the water, man, it's raising. A lot of them are definitely popping, I suppose. So let me go ahead and just take this, and I just want to see. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. Wow, that's how easy these things dissolve. This is just like, look at this. I've never seen something so beautiful. And the time has come, so look at this. It's boiling. Almost all of the plastic is gone, but I'm gonna put it in already. So let's hit that record just in case. Video on. Goodbye, little friend. Whew. Spilled a little bit, but check it out, it's in there, and I'm gonna give it a good little cooking. So let's see, can I feel it? So again, I've never actually boiled the iPhone 10. I've never boiled it in water. I've boiled every other iPhone generation, but not the iPhone 10. So this is kind of a first for me, just to see how it reacts with heat. Hopefully we won't see any smoke. It's like no boiling. Now it's boiling. What the? It's really weird. We're gonna give it some good time though. I don't want to pull it out just after like a minute. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. It's been a while. No smoke. Kind of surprising, but can't wait to see this. The phone is obviously off. The flash turned off. So first thing, it's gonna be a challenge, and that's to get this phone out. There we go. It's been a while now. And whoa. That's not what you do. That's not what you do. The screen has these weird marks. It doesn't look like a crack. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for a few minutes, and then I'll get back to you guys. But you see what I'm talking about? Like, okay, so I just want to show you guys what's going on with this iPhone 10. I took it out of the freezer, and this phone is glitching like crazy. I plugged it in, it booted up, it was working. But I've never seen something like this with any iPhone on any experiment. It started off with one green line, then another one, then another third line which is blinking, but also all of the apps like doubled. And why is it installing some sort of app right here? Video on. Goodbye, little friend. Well, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. So just to show you, more stripes are emerging. We got a pink stripe here, and every time I power it off and I power it on, I gotta hit it like 3-4 times for it to turn on. There's like a delay, which is weird. The Face ID works, that's cool, but then you got all these double apps again. But again, I've never seen this on any iPhone I've experimented on. It's just the weirdest thing. Come on, buddy, wake up. Phone won't wake up. That wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.